When it comes to door installation in Baytown, choosing the right materials can make all the difference in your home's appearance, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. Baytown's warm, humid climate and proximity to the Gulf Coast mean homeowners must prioritize materials that can handle both heat and moisture while enhancing curb appeal. Here's a customer-focused guide to help you select the best materials for your next door installation project. Understanding Baytown's climate challenges. Baytown's subtropical climate brings high humidity, heavy rains, and intense sunlight. Over time, these conditions can cause warping, fading, and corrosion in poorly chosen door materials. To ensure longevity and performance, homeowners should focus on materials that resist moisture and temperature fluctuations while maintaining insulation efficiency. The goal is to choose a door that not only looks great but also withstands local weather without constant maintenance. Top door materials for Baytown homes. Fiberglass doors. Durable and energy-efficient fiberglass is one of the most popular choices for door installation in Baytown. It mimics the appearance of natural wood but requires far less upkeep. Resistant to warping, cracking, and rotting, fiberglass doors are ideal for humid and rainy environments. They also provide excellent insulation, helping keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, an important consideration for energy-conscious homeowners. Why choose fiberglass? Superior resistance to moisture and heat. Long lifespan with minimal maintenance. Wide range of designs and finishes. Steel doors. Strength and security. Steel doors are a top pick for homeowners who prioritize safety and durability. They are exceptionally strong and offer great protection against forced entry. Steel doors are also energy efficient when paired with proper insulation cores. However, they can be prone to dents and scratches if not handled carefully, and they require a good finish to prevent rust in humid conditions. Why choose steel? Excellent security and structural integrity. High energy efficiency. Great value for money. Wood doors. Timeless elegance. Wood doors remain a classic choice, offering natural warmth and beauty that suits both traditional and modern Baytown homes. While they can be customized with a variety of stains and finishes, they require regular maintenance to protect against moisture and sun exposure. Engineered wood options, such as veneer over solid cores, provide a more stable and weather-resistant alternative. Why choose wood? Elegant, customizable look, sound insulation and natural warmth. Ideal for covered entryways or interior installations. Aluminum and glass doors. Modern appeal. For a sleek, modern look, aluminum framed doors with glass panels are becoming increasingly popular in Baytown. These materials allow natural light to flow indoors while maintaining durability. Aluminum resists corrosion, making it suitable for coastal environments, and modern glass options can include energy-efficient coatings and impact resistance for added safety. Why choose aluminum and glass? Contemporary design with natural light, rust and corrosion resistance. Low maintenance and customizable. Factors to consider before choosing a material. Before deciding on the right material for your door installation, think about location. Exterior doors need more weather resistance, while interior doors can focus on style. Security. Consider reinforced materials and lock systems for front and back entry doors. Energy efficiency. Look for insulated cores and Energy Star rated doors to reduce utility costs. Maintenance. Some materials require periodic sealing or painting, while others are nearly maintenance-free. Aesthetic preferences. Choose materials that complement your home's architecture and color scheme. Working with local experts in Baytown. Partnering with local door installation experts ensures that your materials are chosen and installed to meet Baytown's specific environmental needs. Professionals can help you compare options, recommend energy-efficient upgrades, and guarantee proper sealing to prevent leaks and drafts. A professional installation not only enhances performance but also protects your warranty and boosts long-term home value. Final thoughts. Selecting the best materials for your door installation in Baytown is about balancing beauty, durability, and performance. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of wood, the resilience of fiberglass, or the sleek modernity of steel or aluminum, The right material can transform your home's entryway into a secure, stylish, and energy-efficient focal point. Invest wisely, and your door will stand strong for years to come, rain, shine, or Baytown humidity.